Welcome, dear children. We will now learn the first lesson in EVS. Now, before I begin the lesson, let me ask you a few questions. Which state do you live in? Yes, you're right. You live in the state of Maharashtra. Wonderful. Now, if you are living in the state of Maharashtra, I'm sure you would know this great person, Shivaji. Have you heard about Shivaji Maharaj? Yes. Wonderful. Today, we are going to begin the lesson called Maharashtra before Shivaji. The picture that you see on the slide is the picture of the great king Shivaji Maharaj. Shivaji Maharaj was a great man. He lived in the medieval period and his birthday was celebrated with great pomp. Now you and I also celebrate our birthdays. What do we do on our birthday? We call our friends, we cut the cake. We have a lot of enjoyment with games and parties. But the birthdays of great leaders are celebrated in a little different way. The birth anniversary of Shivaji Maharaj is celebrated with great pomp all over Maharashtra. People sing songs called povadas. Now, what is the meaning of the word povadas? Povadas are songs which are sung in honor of this great people, describing the great deeds that they have done. During the time of Shivaji, he was well known for his great work and honored by all the people. People used to always praise him by saying, Shivaji Maharaj ki jai. At that time, there were many other benevolent leaders. Among the benevolent leaders of the time, we have the Mughal Emperor Akbar in the north and Emperor Krishnadevaraya of Vijayanagar in the south. Likewise, Shivaji Maharaj was also one of the benevolent leaders who commanded respect. Now, what is the meaning of the word benevolent? Benevolent means kind, helpful, loving, and seeking the welfare of the people. The slide that you see on the screen is the picture of the two benevolent leaders, Mughal Emperor Akbar in the north and Emperor Krishnadevaraya of Vijayanagar in the south. Now, nearly about 400 years before Shivaji, Maharashtra was not free. What happened? Maharashtra was divided between two rulers, two sultans, Nizam Shah of Ahmednagar and Adil Shah of Bijapur. The two sultans, they kept fighting among themselves. They were sworn enemies of each other. They constantly fought among themselves and people suffered under their rule. People could not enjoy. They could not eat their food, nor could they celebrate their festivals or worship their gods openly and freely. They were not sure of safety even in their own houses. There was injustice everywhere. Now, on one hand, it was the sultans who were fighting amongst themselves, and on the other hand, there were the Watandars. Watandars are Marathas who lived in Maharashtra and owned Jagirs. The famous Watandars were the Deshmukhs and the Deshpandes. They too loved their Jagirs and not their country. They constantly fought against themselves. And again there was misrule and oppression. People were unhappy. Shivaji Maharaj decided to establish Swaraj and bring happiness to the people. He established Swaraj based on justice, fair play, and equality. Swaraj means self-rule, self-government. Now Shivaji made no distinction between the Hindus and the Muslims. He wanted to establish Hindavi Swaraj, and therefore he brought the Watandars to make peace with them, and then he used them in his plan to establish Swaraj. Shivaji also honored the saints of his time. We also draw inspiration from these noble deeds of Shivaji Maharaj. Now, about 400 years before Shivaji, there were many saints in Maharashtra, and their work helped Shivaji in his successful effort of establishing Swaraj.